guys, welcome back to my channel. Almost dropped all my spoons. But today, or tonight actually, before I turn down for the evening, I am going to show you guys how I make one of my favorite meal prep recipes, and that is my overnight oatmeal. I am obsessed with overnight oats. I love this recipe. I have very little time to get ready in the morning and make breakfast on top of that, so I love doing this because I can wake up, get dressed, take my time doing that, and then breakfast is already ready to go. So if you want to know how I make my overnight oatmeal, just keep on watching. So, starting with the steel cut oats. And yes, you'll make a mess. I think that's enough. And I'm sure it'll expand as it cooks overnight. Add in the milk. So you want to add, if you're going to add any sweetener or anything like that to it, you want to add that at the bottom because your oatmeal is what doesn't have any flavor at all. So just little like sprinkles of this, not a whole lot. Add some cinnamon. Add in my turmeric. I'll put some of this coconut sugar at the bottom too. A little bit of chia seed. So I like to keep a little spoon on the side to kind of stir that. Perfect, yeah. So this adds all the delicious flavor that you're gonna want. Your next step is the yogurt. So I get like about a tablespoon, a very big tablespoon. That's probably my favorite part. Stir the peanut butter to see how it has that nice kind of saucy consistency. Try to not make the biggest mess ever. Drizzle. I'm going to add my fruit. If I can get the container open. Some blackberries, raspberries. Come on. The next step are your nuts. If you don't like nuts or if you're allergic to nuts, obviously skip this step. But I love pecans. And that's it. All you have to do is pop the lids on these and put them in the refrigerator and overnight. So as long as you got at least 8 hours in the refrigerator, they should be done, and you can have I usually start eating mine at like 7 in the morning, so they will be ready for you. So I hope you guys love this recipe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment below if you have an overnight oat recipe. Please subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.